Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, we would be looking at how we could enable System Manager on our EC2 instances so that we could access them from the AWS console itself. To the Session Manager tab and you see that Session Manager is now enabled. Click on the instance, click on Connect and click on Session Manager, Connect, and this should take you to a shell. Now you are currently logged in as a SSM user, but the SSM user has the sudoers permission to switch to a root user, and from a root user you can do anything using the same shell that you are used to on an SSH prompt from your local system. So this is how you can access your AWS EC2 instances via a system manager using this session manager option that is available in the connect option. That's it for this video, folks. I hope you found this informative. Please hit the like option if you like this video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and encourage us by putting comments on topics that you would like to see more videos on. Thank you so much for watching. Keep having a great